Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube. And here I am with another video which is about latte makeup, if you have not guessed it already. Yeah, latte makeup is going all around the internet and I thought I should hop on the trend, and here I am. Now I'm not just going to give you a tutorial here because that's not what we are here for. But I'm going to be following some shots that I picked from YouTube as I type latte makeup. So when I type latte makeup, there are a number of shots that come in. So I am going to follow their technique to create this look. Let's watch the video. Let's begin. So first we're going to start with Prakriti's video. I'm going to put the video here. We are going to take her guidance with respect to the base, and I'm going to do the base according to this video.
Let's try the viral latte makeup. We're going to use everything warm and bronze.
I'm
starting off with a primer. After this I'm going...
Okay, so we're going to start with primer. We'll go step by step. She says she goes with a primer, her regular one. So I'm going to go with my Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And then she's going to bronze the perimeter of her face, and I'm going to do the same with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now this is what I used for my bronzer. I love the shade of it. I'm going to pick some of it with my brush, evenly distributed because I don't want it to get collected on one face. And now after doing that bronzing, I've done that really well. Let's see what she does next.
To even out my skin tone, this has sheer coverage, so it will not cover the bronzer. Then I'm using a...
Great. So we are going to use something sheer. Now I don't use a skin tint, but I have a foundation that's really sheer, and that's this Nykaa All-day Matte Foundation. This is a really sheer foundation, but gives a very nice glow to my face. So I love that. So I'm going to just... And I'm also thinking to add a little bit of bronzer to it because this is a light shade and we want to keep everything little bronzed, right? So I'm thinking of adding a bronzer so that the shade turns a little warm. And yes, it does.
Naturally लग रहा है एकदम.
और contrast भी काफी अच्छा आया है ना वो bronzer इसका. Actually अगर मैं directly use करती तो इतना अच्छा नहीं आता मुझे लगता है.
नहीं आता.
And now after doing that, let's proceed to the next one.
Little bit of concealer to cover my dark circles and pigmentation. For liquid blush, I'm using this caramel shade.
Okay, so concealer is just to cover her dark circles. I don't have one, thank God I'm blessed. But I'm thinking of maintaining a good contrast, right? So I'm using this Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C6. This is actually a really lighter concealer for me, but this will be great to maintain that contrast. I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender because this will sheer it out. Also, this concealer is actually sheer. Now see, it's a perfect balance of that bronze and the highlight. I'm really liking it. Okay, let's see what she does with the blush.
For liquid blush, I'm using this caramel shade. It's perfect for this look. It's a very warm toned shade.
So for the blush, she has used something that's little warm, and the shade is caramel for her. I don't think I have anything like that, but I have something peach, coral peach. So this is coral peach. I'm not sure how it is going to look, but let's just see. अब उतना पीच नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन क्या ब्लश दिख भी रहा है? मुझे वो डाउट है.
ब्लश इतना मैं कैमरे में देख रही तो नहीं दिख रहा है.
And then she's setting her face with a loose powder, and I'm going to do the same with this K Beauty loose powder. This is such a beautiful loose powder. And I'm also doing an additional step where I'm adding a powder bronzer here because I think it's a little less for me, just like this. So this will add that little more warmth to my face. And that is it for Prakriti's face makeup. And now we are going to proceed to the eyes, and for that we are using Dominic Christian's technique.
This This one's from Makeup Forever. It's called Endless Cacao. She blends it in with a brush. And then the artist uses a yellow brown to blend over the pencil and just smoke everything out. For extra little pop, I'm just going to take Affirmation by yourself.
Okay, so we start with our bronzer. I think this is the first time I'm using my bronzer so much. Let's pick this up on our brush and lift our eyes with it according to what she said. Just lift it a little bit. So according to what she said, we are going to do our lower lash line with a cool toned brown. So I'm taking this one. I'm also using that same cool tone brown on my crease to just deepen it a little bit. And then I'm just going to blend it. So let's do a pop of color. Now she has not done this, but I think I need brown eyeliner, so I am going to use that. I'm just going to very roughly do that on my upper lash line. And with that we complete our eyes. Now what's left is brows and lips. Let's do that.
I got a nude brown lip liner and a milky nude gloss.
Okay, so it's very simple. A brown lip liner and a milky nude gloss. So let's do that. And that's lips. That's very different from my usual. I would never ever do this, but yeah, let's see. Right now I am not loving it because it's very different. Let's go to the eyebrows, the last thing. The eyebrow tutorial I am following a.j_artistry 1997. I have never seen her work before this, but I love the way she did her eyebrows, so let's just follow.
Latte trend, and I am absolutely here for it. Brows are very bushy, so I went in with pink honey glue, Morphe eyebrow pencil, and then
and that is done. This makeup is done. I have never done anything like this. I mean, I have done brown makeup tutorials, but the techniques here were very different from what I usually do. But I'm loving how it is looking. It's looking very natural, but the eyes are looking like eyes are playing the game here. The eyes and the lips. The brown lip liner is just, and that's all for this look. And tell me, how did you like it? And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. If there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!